70% win rate. Either this robot is absolutely crushing it or these results are fake, and I'm about to find out which one it is. Hey everyone, Marin here from EA Trading Academy. I've been testing the Happy Japanese Market Expert Advisor for a few weeks now, and honestly it's been performing way better than I expected, like way better. So in today's video I'm going to show you exactly what's been happening on my demo account, break down the vendor's official track record, and then we're going live with real money. Because if this EA is really as good as it looks, we've gotta see it in action right now. Okay, so I'm on our VIP accounts page, where you can see all the EAs we are testing at the moment. And here we have the Happy Japanese Market. I have placed this EA on a 10k demo account over a month ago, and it has made 17 trades since then, and the overall gain is 5%. So I will click on the track record to show you how the strategy works. So here we have the track record. You can see I started this account on the 4th of May. It made $510 of a profit, which is totally 5.1% of a profit. The average monthly return is 4.3%, and if I scroll down you can see the amazing trade win, which is 94.1%. Currently I'm trading DCA on the pound yen, but I will talk about the strategy in a second. And if I go to the summaries, here you can see the 17 trades it made and the amazing 94% win rate. So what exactly is this Happy Japanese Market EA doing? It's a smart scalping robot that monitors 3 Japanese yen pairs: dollar yen, euro yen and pound yen, looking for the perfect entry signals using technical indicators. The strategy is pretty straightforward. It aims to make one profitable trade per day, targeting around 40 pips of a profit. Most trades happen during Asian market hours when Tokyo opens, and usually they are closed within 24 hours and very often in just a few hours. And here's where it gets interesting. If a trade goes against it and doesn't hit that profit target, the EA doesn't just cut losses. Instead, it keeps that position open and cannot recover trades with larger lot to compensate it. It can open up to 15 trades maximum if needed, always working towards an overall profit. The EA has built-in news filter that connects to the Forex Factory calendar, so it won't trade during high-impact news events. There's also equity protection. You can set it to close all trades if your floating loss reaches certain percentage of the account. It only needs to be placed on one chart, the daily time frame of any of those 3 pairs, and it handles everything automatically. The minimum deposit is just $100, though the vendor recommends $300 for better risk management. It is designed for long-term stable growth rather than quick gains, which explains why we are seeing such consistent results on the demo account. This EA is developed by the Happy Forex vendor. We already reviewed some of their EAs, and you can find the Happy Japanese Market in their website under Expert Advisors, Happy Japanese Market. And if I scroll down to the bottom of the page, you can see their track record. So if I open the track record of the vendor, you can see the account here. It started on the 23rd of August last year, and it's trading for less than 1 year, and it made amazing 164% gain, which in terms of a profit is almost $4,000 of a profit. And you can see that the drawdown reached 26% in the account, and you can see the drawdown here. The numbers are different. That's why we depend on our own track records. And if I switch back to the account which I showed you at the beginning, and I go to the stats under the charts, and if I go to the floating profit and loss, you can see that my floating loss went over -4% once for the whole history of the account, but overall the EA is very stable. So back to the vendor's track record, you can see the steady growth here, and I'll scroll down a little bit to the bottom, and you can see how the strategy performs, what is the gain. But what's interesting, guys, if I click on the summary, you can see that the strategy made 123 trades. So since August 23rd we have less than 220 trading days. In a calendar year there are 250 on average, so we have few trading days here, and it looks like it makes like 1 trade every 2 days. As I said, it can open a trade, and if it's not reaching the profit of 40 pips, it will keep it open until it reaches the profit, or if it's a losing trade, it will open recovery trades. But here comes the interesting part, guys. For that period, it won 73% of the trades, which is really amazing. And this, together with my demo track record, is the reason why I decided to place DCA on a real account. Before we jump into the live account, let me tell you about FP Markets, who's sponsoring today's video. To run this robot, I'm using FP Markets, and they've hooked up our viewers with an exclusive deal: reduced spreads on Forex and metals for both raw and standard accounts. On raw accounts, you'll pay just $4.5 per lot in spreads instead of the regular $6. Plus, FP Markets offers very fast execution and zero commission on standard accounts. Since I will be trading on a standard account with this scalping strategy, those reduced costs will directly impact my profitability. Grab this exclusive deal using the link in the description. Alright, let's get this year running with real money and see what it can do. So I'm on the MetaTrader platform and I will open a new chart which will be on the pound yen, and I will set it to the day 1 time frame. Then something I need to do before I place this EA on the chart, you can see here from the guide that we need to add this URL in the web request URL. So you can just copy this link here, then go to the tools options, and here you can place it. I already have done this, so I'm not going to do it right now, and I will click on OK. Before that, be sure that your algorithmic trading is enabled, the DLL imports as well, and the web request, so the EA can connect with the news calendar. I will click on OK. Then I will take the EA and drag and drop it. So these are the inputs. You can see a pretty simple setup. I need to place my serial number, define the lots, and if I'm going to use equity protection or not. I'm not going to use it right now. I will keep the 0.01 lot because I'm trading this on a $1,000 live account. So this is the minimum I can trade, and this is a reasonable risk management to me. So the only thing left is I will place the serial number here, and then I will click on OK. And you can see the EA is on the chart already, and it almost immediately placed the trade. Perfect, the EA is set up and ready, scanning the market. Now, before I wrap up, let me quickly go over the main pros and cons of this strategy so you know exactly what you're getting into. So the pros, we're seeing very high win rate, over 90% in our testing and 70% in the vendor's track record. This is a fully automated system, it's set it and forget it. And it has built-in equity protection settings and news filter included. Also, the minimum deposit required is only $100, which is very low barrier to entry. When it comes to the negative things, the strategy can open up to 15 trades to recover losses, which increases the exposure. It only trades the Japanese yen pair, so performance depends heavily on the yen market conditions. Also, despite targeting daily gains, losing streaks can extend for days or weeks. Alright, the EA is now live and trading with real money. After weeks of demo testing where I saw results that actually exceeded the vendor's win rate, I'm confident enough to put this trading robot to the ultimate test. The live track record results will be available on our website. Check the link in the description below to follow along with the real results. And remember, if you're considering testing the happy Japanese market EA yourself, always start with the demo first, just like I did here. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video where I'll be diving into another trading robot that's been catching my attention lately. Until then, trade safe. Bye.